super awesome. Whoa, that's so cool. This works really well. If you press this button, look what it does. Watch what this button does. It goes on its own. I'm shooting him. You can store a command so it'll do it all by itself. Just press go. And press stop when you want him to stop. This is a pretty fun toy. Thanks for watching us play with it.